Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Rockstar Games to Steam. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to link your Rockstar games to your Steam, you need to launch the Rockstar title purchased on Steam. So first of all, sign in into your Rockstar Game Launcher, verify your account, and then click Play on Steam. This process connects your Steam account to your Rockstar Games account. So you can simply purchase and install the game and then launch the game itself, sign in, verify your ID, and simply enjoy playing on your Steam. So if you want something in depth, you can simply ensure that your purchase has been through Steam, and then you have logged in with correct credentials. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this. We will be back again really soon.